Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today we are going to see introduction to programming. So if I ask you a question, what is a program? So there is common answer, set of instructions. Yes, program is a set of instructions, but those are not simple steps. So those are the set of logical instructions. Means whatever program you are writing, so that is a set of logical instructions. So what is mean by logical? Logical means there is some designing reason behind that instruction. So whatever program you are writing, so this is a set of logical instructions. So how to relate program to your daily life? Means whatever task you are doing daily life, so that is also like one program you are doing, physical program we can say. And there are computer programs are also there. In computer program also you are performing some tasks, and in daily life also you are performing some physical tasks. So in this way you can relate your program, computer program with your daily life task. For example, whenever you want to go at particular destination, so at that time you have to follow proper road. So if you miss the proper road, you will not reach that destination, right? Means your program will not get successfully executed because there is some problem with your instruction. In the same way, whatever computer programs you are writing, so if those logical steps or logical instructions are proper, then and then your program will get successfully executed. It is not just execution important, whatever the task you want to perform successfully, that will get completed. So here I have taken one physical program. So most of the people know how to prepare tea. So I have written here some steps. Maybe your steps are different from these steps, but I have taken here common steps. So take container, pour water, ignite the gas, wait till water starts boiling, put tea powder, sugar, let it boil for 5 minutes. If you like milk, milk tea, put milk and boil it for 4 minutes. Filter, prepare tea and serve hot. So these are the common steps I have written. But so there is logic behind each step, right? For example, I can't directly go to this step. So if I skip 5 steps and let it boil for 5 minutes, no, I can't perform this step because these 5 steps should get executed. Then I can execute this sixth step, right? Means whatever the steps I have written, behind each step there is some reason, right? So in this way, this is one physical program, right? So next is, so I have written here properly designed steps to complete task successfully. Means whatever steps you are writing, so after writing those steps, you have, means whatever task you are intending, it should be successfully completed. Then and then, so those we can say our program is successfully executed, like that. So next is steps of addition of two numbers. For example, I want to add two numbers. So what we do, so we are taking two numbers, then adding two numbers using addition operator, then displaying result. So I have to follow these steps. So if I skip first two steps and I will go to third step, no, I can't display result. So first I have to take two numbers, then add those using addition operator, then and then I can display results, right? Means there is logic behind each step. Means whatever program you are writing, there is logic is there behind each step. Then what is computer program? So whatever steps we have written to solve problem, we convert those into coding steps using programming language. So whatever, for example, I have shown you these steps. So this is the pseudo code, means this is not actual code, means these are the this is the rough algorithm, I would say, right? But so whatever steps we have written to solve problem, we convert those into coding steps using programming language. Means whatever steps I have written here for addition of two numbers, so those steps I will convert into coding steps using programming language. And after successful execution of our program, we can use that program to automate our required task. So why we need to write program? So you may be thinking, if I want to do addition of two numbers, I can do. Yes, we can do that. For example, if I give two numbers to add, for example 3 plus 5, so we can give easily answer like 8. But if I give big numbers, then there will be chances of errors, and you will take time also, right? So to automate such complex tasks, we write programs, right? So that is the purpose of writing program, means you can automate complex tasks using computer program. This was the introduction to programming. If you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.